Hey guys, Julie here from Julie Designs. Today I thought I would do a tutorial on how to create template products on Zazzle. So I've spoken before about how customizable products on Zazzle sell really well, and if you just look at the trending products on Zazzle, you will see what I mean. So I thought today I would just go through some tips and tricks on creating customizable products on Zazzle. So I've created this sort of greeting card here. I just selected a greeting card and created it from scratch, and I added this sort of birthday-ish pattern in the background. And then I've added my text by going into text and just writing whatever I wanted here. Now I haven't created the templates yet, so just before you make these into templates, I recommend setting everything up. So I've got the front page, and then I've also created the inside, or what's going to be the inside of the card as well. Just like really simple. I didn't really put a ton of thought into this because I'm just using it as an example, but if we're gonna, so you're gonna set up whatever you want in the card first, or whatever customizable text you want, and then we're gonna go in and make it a template. So I think I'm gonna leave happy birthday without being a template because I don't think that people would want to change that, but the name obviously we want to change. Oh, and one other tip before we start creating the template is when you add the text, you want to make this box just sort of hit the edge of the design. Sometimes if you just make it bigger like this, it's going to go off the edge. So if you want the text to be bigger, I mean for this one it doesn't matter because we're not making that customizable. But for the name, like if someone has a really long name, it might get cut off on the edge. So it's best to just make this bounding box fit within the design area. So now we want to make this a template. So we've got it selected, and I'm going to come down into this more options. It might be just like this. So you're going to hit the little caret thing here, and we're just going to hit make this a template object. So that's been turned on, and we can choose this product page label here and just put name, and I'm gonna leave the URL parameter name because as I'll explain in the next step, that's gonna sort of help it stay in order, if that makes sense. So we're gonna switch to the inside. So we want this also to be a template. So the reason why I'm doing it this way is so that everything shows up in order on the page when the customer is going in to customize. So sometimes you might just make something a template and then you add another piece and make that a template, and sometimes it jumbles up the order, so it looks weird to the customer when they're putting in the information and it's not showing up in the order. So in order to make it be in the correct order, that's why I'm setting this all up first and then creating a template from it. So now this is text 2. So what that is saying is it's going to be like the second text in the line. So the label, I'm just going to say like inside name, and then this will also make customizable and put greeting, and then this, maybe I'll just say additional text, and finally from. Okay, so real simple. There's also other areas you can add text. You can add text at the back, designed by so-and-so, whatever you want to do here. We're going to hit done, and you can see the preview. So now we've got this personalized, this template that comes up. So if you click on that, now you can see everything is set up in order here. Oh, and I misspelled that, but can go in and change it. And you can see everything has changed with the template here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope that made sense to you guys. If you have any questions, just let me know and leave a comment below. And yeah, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I have lots of other Zazzle tutorials as well as other print-on-demand websites and how to sell your art online, etc. And so we'll see you there. Cheers.